Hi guys, today I'm going to make an English breakfast. Let's see how it turns out. This perfect English breakfast includes fried tomatoes and sausages, baked mushrooms and capsicum, crunchy bubble and squeak, fried eggs, pasta, and toasted bread. I hope you will love to make this because it's extra delicious and easy to make. Okay, let's start. Add some oil in a pan and start frying the sausages. Turn the sausages every now and then because we have to get all the sides equally baked. Remember to keep the flame low because you have to get golden crunchy outside and fluffy inside. If the flame is high, you will burn your sausages. I will get some room for my tomatoes because I can bake both of them together. Add some oil. Let it heat for a while and add the tomatoes one by one. Okay, here we go. They look beautiful. Once baked enough, you have to turn them other side too because you have to get both sides equally baked. At the same time, keep rolling the sausages. Now you can see they are turning golden brown. While it's been baked, I am going to prepare pasta. I use this pasta. Now I'm going to add it to the boiling water and let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. Must get room for all the pasta, otherwise this part will not be cooked. At the meantime, I'm going to prepare mushrooms. I added chili, salt, pepper and mix all of them together. Now keep it aside and add some oil in a pan. I used olive oil here. When it's heated enough, add the mushrooms. Fry this too in medium-low heat. Remember to turn it always here and there. Then all the parts will be cooked. Fried, I mean. This is after 5 minutes. It has got golden color but not baked enough. I'm going to fry my capsicum here. So I'm going to push this aside and get some room for capsicum. Okay, they look very beautiful. See the green. Green adds color to the food. Whatever green, it's beautiful. It's always beautiful. See the color. It's so very beautiful. Looks yummy. Now my pasta is cooked enough, so I'm going to add some sauce, salt and pepper. Mix it and keep it aside. Hey, now the most interesting part. I'm going to cook bubble and squeak. Normally this is prepared using leftovers and mashed potatoes, cold mashed potatoes. But today I'm going to use some fresh vegetables. I used some leeks, cabbage, carrots and mashed potatoes. Heat enough olive oil in a pan and add some green leaves. The smell of this is so appealing. You feel like eating it right now. Now I'm going to add some onions and mix all of them together. Add some green chilies and fry until golden brown. It's fried enough. Now I'm going to add my veggies. First I'm going to add the leeks. Okay, here we go. Right. Now the cabbages, then leeks, some more leeks, and finally the carrots. My pan is not enough to add all of them together. To fit all of them together. So we have to wait until it simmers a bit. I have to use my hand to. Okay. Mix veggies with oil. Stir it always, then it will be mixed very well. Right. Now add some salt, pepper, some chili flakes and some chili powder too. Keep stirring till it fits in. Right. Now mix all of them together. Now close the lid and cook it about 10 more minutes in medium-low heat. This is after about 10 minutes. Now you can see it has reduced the quantity. Now you can add the mashed potatoes. After adding the potatoes, you have to mix them very well. You have to get this reduced to a half. From the quantity you have to reduce it to a half. And also it has to be cooked very well too, because the bubble and cake is always crunchy outside and fluffy inside. So you have to get moist and fluffy inside. For that you have to cook it very well. You have to mix it from outside to inside, and always keep stirring till it gets crunchy outside. As you can see now, all the veggies have been cooked enough. When I turn it from outside to inside, now you can see it getting golden color. Potatoes binds the veggies together. Keep pushing it from outside to inside until you get a perfect cake. I almost forgot. This is called potato cake too. As you can see that now it's just a half of the pan and perfectly cooked. Let's see, I could do this. Okay, slowly. I hope I've already broken it. So I have to form it again after turning. Okay, now I'm going to fry the eggs. As you see, it's very simple. Just add some salt and pepper. I toasted my bread too in a pan. I toasted my bread earlier, so now I'm going to make the dish. First the pasta, I kept the pasta. Then I'm going to put the bubble and squeak on the board. Right, form it a bit. This way, inside. Right, I kept mushrooms and tomatoes. Now capsicum, keep it in a beautiful way. Now I keep the eggs, arrange them in a nice appealing way. Now what's remaining is the sausages. The sausages would go here, or rather I keep it on the pasta. Right. I will rearrange a bit and keep my toasted bread this side. Right, now you can see it's so appealing. All the items here are very delicious, so please try and see for yourself. And this is a friendly request. Please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching my video.